Welcome to your 4-Minute Daily Tarot. This is going to be for Monday, March 18th. If you were just tuning in, thank you so much. My name is Rachel, and I'm the owner of Reiki with Rachel, where I specialize in distance energy work and personal card readings. All right, so let's look at today's energy. If you watch the weekend forecast, we got a very strong message that something is ending and a new cycle is beginning. And I want to show you, actually, before I go into the tarot cards, I want to show you the number card that I pulled. So if you watch my readings, you know that we typically do a main reading with the tarot and then one oracle card to give the overall energy. And this week we are pulling number cards. And the card that came out was the number 2, Patience. What I'm feeling very strongly is there's just a lot of energies that we're processing. We have been the last few weeks or this past month, and we're going to a little bit longer. We just need this time to continue to process these energies, these old patterns, get rid of some karma. We are moving into this new cycle. We are. The number 2 is talking about coming together. It's talking about completion. So I'm feeling like this could be talking about relationships. This could be talking about finding wholeness within yourself, finding completion within yourself. It's coming together. We are all being encouraged to be patient. So let's get into the readings. We have the 4 of Swords in reverse, we have the Devil in reverse, and we have the 8 of Cups. The 4 of Swords in reverse is talking about contemplation. To me, this is encouraging contemplation, and it's encouraging you to be easy on yourself. It can also represent the energy of feeling stagnant, of feeling stuck, of wanting to move through something, wanting to move on. So I'm feeling like it's like a double-edged sword, ironically, since it's a swords card. On one end, you could be feeling like, oh my gosh, I just want to get to this next stage. On the other end, you're being encouraged to take advantage of this time before you really see this new cycle begin and contemplate and rest and take care of yourself. The next card that we got was the Devil in reverse, and this is talking about releasing our demons. But to release them, most of the time they're brought up for us to see. These shadowy sides of us that have been lurking in the darkness of our subconscious for our whole life, maybe, is being brought up for us to take a look at. And the last card that we got was the 8 of Cups, and this is walking away. And the cups are typically, they represent emotion. So you're walking away from some sort of emotions that do not serve you. You are on the right path. Today is a day to allow yourself to see some of the things that maybe you haven't before, maybe some of the things that you've been trying to push deep down. Allow yourself to experience any negative thoughts, any negative emotions, and be gentle on yourself as they do. And as you're gentle on yourself and you can look at these shadowy sides in a loving way for what they are, then you can choose to walk away from those things that no longer serve you. And remember, be patient. It is all coming together for you. You are just getting ready for it now. I'm wishing you so much love and light.